The early retirement dream is within your reach. Imagine waking up each day with the freedom to choose how you spend your time, without the constraints of a traditional job. Imagine a life unshackled from the 9 to 5 grind. No more long commutes, no more office politics, just the liberty to live life on your own terms. Picture yourself pursuing passions, traveling the world, or simply enjoying the freedom that comes with financial independence. Whether it's hiking through nature, exploring new cities, or relaxing in a hammock, the possibilities are endless. This is the promise of early retirement. A life where you can savor the small moments and celebrate the big ones, all without the stress of financial worries. It's not a pipe dream. It's a goal that many have achieved, and you can too. It's a very real possibility. With careful planning and dedication, you can turn this dream into your reality. With the right strategy, you can make it happen. Consulting with financial advisors, educating yourself on investments, and staying committed to your plan are key steps. Many people believe that early retirement is only for the wealthy. This simply isn't true. It's achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort and make smart financial choices. You don't need a massive inheritance or a winning lottery ticket. What you need is a clear vision and the determination to follow through. What you need is a solid plan and the discipline to stick with it. Budgeting, tracking expenses, and regularly reviewing your financial progress are essential practices. One of the most effective paths to early retirement is through the power of index fund investing. By consistently investing in low-cost index funds, you can grow your wealth steadily over time. Demystifying index funds. Your path to financial freedom. Index funds are a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. Index funds are like diversified baskets of stocks, offering a broad exposure to the market. They track specific market indexes, such as the S&P 500, which includes the 500 largest companies in the US. Instead of picking individual stocks, you're investing in the performance of the entire market, spreading your risk across many companies. It's like having a team of experts working for you, but without the high fees typically associated with actively managed funds. Index funds offer a simple, low-cost way to invest in the stock market, making them accessible to everyone. They're perfect for beginners who are just starting out, as well as seasoned investors looking to diversify their portfolios. They provide instant diversification, which is crucial for managing risk and ensuring a balanced investment strategy. By investing in index funds, you can take a significant step towards achieving financial freedom and securing your future. Play the long game. Why index funds outperform? Over time, index funds have consistently outperformed actively managed funds. This is because they have lower fees and benefit from the overall upward trend of the market. Don't try to time the market or chase the latest hot stock. Slow and steady wins the race. By investing in index funds, you're betting on the long-term growth of the economy. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your goals, and you'll be amazed at the results. Your roadmap to early retirement. Start investing in index funds today. Index funds are a great way to build wealth over time with minimal effort and lower risk. Ready to take charge of your financial future? Investing in index funds can be a game changer for your financial health and stability. Here's a simple roadmap to get you started. Follow these steps to begin your journey towards financial independence. First, open a brokerage account. This is your gateway to the world of investing. Choose a reputable online brokerage that aligns with your investment goals. Look for low fees, good customer service, and a user-friendly platform. Next, select your index funds. These funds will form the core of your investment portfolio. Research and select index funds that track the market indexes you're interested in, such as the S&P 500 or the Total Stock Market Index. Then, automate your investments. Automation helps you stay consistent without having to think about it. Set up automatic contributions from your bank account to your brokerage account. Consistency is key. Regular contributions help you take advantage of dollar cost averaging. And finally, stay the course. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't panic when the market fluctuates. Market ups and downs are normal and part of the investment journey. Ride out the ups and downs. Staying invested through market volatility can lead to significant growth over time. Remember, you're in it for the long haul. Patience and consistency are your best allies in building wealth through index funds. The power of compounding time is your greatest ally. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Compounding is the magic that makes early retirement possible. It's the snowball effect of earning returns on your returns. Even small amounts invested consistently over time can grow into a substantial nest egg. Don't underestimate the power of time. The earlier you start, the less you'll need to save each month to reach your early retirement goals.